All right, so once your image is into Audacity, you can see it's got the file name here, Feynman 900. This is a larger color version. And it's got this audio waveform here, which is just my song or my image. It thinks that my image is a song. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a portion of it. So this is just the timeline, like we just used in the GIF project. But this is just a timeline for the audio. So I'm selecting second 3 through 11 here. And then I'm going to go up to Effect. Like, as you can see, just like in Photoshop, there are tons of buttons, and you could edit your file with any one of those things. But we're just going to use Effects, and these are essentially a lot like filters in Photoshop. So they apply like an effect to a section of music, and it can be something as simple as just inverting it, which I'm going to do here just to see what it looks like. And you see it change the audio. So like, I don't know what it sounds like, but and it doesn't really, I couldn't tell a difference there. But it changed it apparently. So I am going to, now I'm going to choose a different section of this. So I'm going to get like an overlap. So I went from 3 to 11 before, and now I'm going to get like 9. So there'll be a little 2-second overlap. And then I'm just going to go to like second 20, and I'm kind of going to leave some space at the end and on the front end so that I'll sort of see where I messed my file up a little bit. So I'm going to just choose another effect. And I chose invert before. So what I might do now is maybe I'll do echo just to see what that looks like. And you'll notice that just like in Photoshop, there are sliders, or you can change the number here. I'm just going to see what it does first without changing the sliders. So to do that, I just say OK. Cool. And you can see it kind of change the waveform a little bit. You can listen to it again. I'm not going to. But now I've got this file that's been changed twice. So it's been inverted and then echoed. So now I've got to get it out of Audacity back into Photoshop. So what I want to do is File, Export, and I'm going to export audio. Okay, these other formats will